What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Flack on this giant, and we finna watch funny animal attacks. Try not to laugh, man. So the goal is to try not to laugh, man. We finna see these animals fuck some shit up. So let's get into the video, man. Let's get into the video. Look, he over here being over cocky. Ostrich on his ass. Ooh, shit. He lucky. Hey, he lucky that ostrich fell fuck me. I didn't even know camels get aggressive. Ain't that supposed to be slow? A camel hauling ass, hold on. Before you talk about nigga need that bread, come off that bread, nigga. Hey, chicken ain't buzzing. This fat ass nigga following this shit. Get your bitch ass up, nigga. What got going on in this bitch, man? Oh, your buddy trying to get somewhere. Hold on, what's chasing him? Nah, this nigga extra. Nah, fuck extra for that.
Go ahead, that's it.
Motherfucker. What is those chickens? Making a little ass dance. And God, them birds and shit like. And I heard of the motherfuckers trying to get that bag. What you talking about? You jump back, bitch.
You took a big jump.
Bitch, you on my swing all day for to come jump something. What you talking about? Plugging bro ass. Big. That from the jump fox? That's a geese? Geese? I don't know. Get out my man's.
Hey! Holy shit!
Oh no, we're not doing that. We're not doing no music. Fuck it. Ain't even tripping. Hey, buddy. Look, that nigga laughing a lot. That nigga not finna stop. Fuck is you talking about? Fuck life on. If that nigga running a straight line, that nigga ass is grass. Fuck ass ain't playing. No game. Look. Look. Oh no, you done. Yeah, you done. Murder She Wrote. Look, chicken ain't playing. No game. Bitch, what up? That's like my dream dog right there. I want one of them bitches. Even though you getting old. Dog think it's a game. Bitch, leave that lady alone. She threw the mail at that motherfucker. Bitch, you big as hell. If you don't kick that motherfucking dog.
Stop. Ouch! Stop. Hey!
Sendo atacado, olha só. O juiz com toda boa intenção aí.
Mas parece que o animal não quer atacar, ele quer brincar.
Tava brincando.
A impressão que eu tenho é que o animal pensou que ele tinha saído pra
How
brincadeira.
does this shit even happen?
Chamou pra brincadeira, o joguinho acabou, eu também sendo atacado, olha só. O juiz
How the fuck did dogs get on the
Mas
field?
parece que o
How do you
animal não
sneak
quer
that
atacar, ele quer
into the...
brincar.
Tava
into the
brincando,
stadium?
tava brincando.
A impressão que eu tenho é que o animal pensou que ele tinha saído pra brincadeira.
Chamou pra,
Come on, man.
chamou pra
Let's do this.
brincadeira.
Yeah, free Shavakadu. This nigga be running damn near a mile, nigga get chased by a cow. That's fucked up, but that's a way to go out. That's a way to end your day. Nigga plucking that shit. Nah, they ain't never was tripping.
Go ahead, he's just scared. Oh, little puppy.
Come on, big brother. No, you're over extra for that. About overly extra for that. Ooh, juked the shit out of his ass. Curious ass dog. Man, I don't like dogs like that. Like, nigga, if you don't eat that motherfucking chicken, whatever the fuck that shit is, trying to snap his fucking neck. Bro, what the fuck they got going on in this bitch shit? What y'all got me watching for? School and that bitch tap dancing. Oh, that big motherfucker came out. I would've hit that nigga with a crane kick. I would've kicked the fuck out that motherfucker. Wait, hold on. The Rouse is back. Don't the cats supposed to be chasing the mice? Okay, there it is. Oh, never mind. I ain't like cats got some fast ass reflexes though. What's up with these camels being aggressive? Hey, that shit low-key scary though. If you wanna be honest. I ain't think it's a scary sight to see. These things don't got nothing but time on their hands for it. Chicken on that boy ass. I'm dead.
Run.
Ajbullah, where you going, boy? I'm dead, man. That's the end of the video, man. We was watching funny animal attacks, man. These niggas in this hole getting chased by chickens, motherfucking cows, motherfucking camels. I ain't even know them bitches aggressive like that. I need to start watching Discovery Channel to be honest. But that's the end of the video, man. Hope y'all enjoyed it, man. Peace.